Hello, everybody. Andrews University just sent me something, and I'm about to have a unboxing video of this something special. So let's see. Don't do this at home. Opening your stuff with your left hand. Oh, it's a very tough packaging. Thank you. I have my special son helping me with this unboxing. Nice. Okay. Thank you, Andrews University. Ooh. It says, "Do not bend." I wonder what it is. And it's from Andrews University. All right. Ta-da! Ta-da! And it says, ooh, nice. Oh, wow. Andrews University, the graduation program. Nice. Everything happened online this year. Okay, do I have my name here? Maybe I do. Hold on. Let's go to the School of Is there one? Okay, Theological Seminary. Woohoo! Graduate student. Yay! Focus, focus, focus. All right, people do that with focusing with their hands. There is Enoch Changi Lee. And here it is. Andrews University. The long-awaited. Ooh. Andrews University. Master of Arts in Pastoral Ministry. Yay! You know, it's been a long time coming. Long time coming. Thank you, Andrews University. Thank you, God. Thank you, my family. Just to compare, this is what the Andrews University Master's degree got you. And this is my alma mater, Southern Adventist University diploma. And then the last one, my ordination certificate. All right, thank you, God. Thank you, Seventh-day Adventist Church. Bye-bye.